In this video, I'll show you how to set up a payment link in Square. First, sign into your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online, then select Payment Links. Next, click Create Payment Link and choose the type of payment you want to collect. You can create a link for a specific item, multiple items, a donation, a subscription if available, or a custom payment amount. After that, enter the required details, including the item name, price, description, and any optional settings such as quantity limits or customer information. Review the payment details carefully to make sure everything is accurate before continuing. Now, click Create Link. Once the payment link has been generated, copy it and test it by opening it in a browser. Verify that the checkout page displays the correct information and that customers can complete the payment process without any issues. Finally, share your payment link by email, text message, social media, or on your website. You can return to the Payment Links section at any time to manage existing links, track payments, or create new ones for different products or services. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a payment link in Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.